kids! Welcome back to Toddlers Art Hub. Today, we are going to draw something very special, a Teacher's Day card to say thank you to our lovely teachers.
Yay!
Let's get started. Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. First, take your black marker. Let's start by drawing a rectangle border around our page. This will be the frame of our card. Now, inside the rectangle, let's draw a big fluffy cloud in the middle. This is where we will write our special message. Great job! Next, let's add some balloons on both sides of the cloud. Balloons make the card look fun and festive. In the bottom right corner, let's draw a pencil.
La da 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 dee.
And in the bottom left corner, let's draw an open book. Now, inside the cloud, let's carefully write the words, Happy Teacher's Day. Nice job, everyone.
La da 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 dee.
Our drawing is complete. Now let's make the outline bold and sharp so that our artwork pops out beautifully. Looking awesome, isn't it? Now it's time to color.
Yay!
Red color. Orange color. Yellow color. Green color. Blue color.
Wow!
Purple color. Pink color. Awesome! Our Teacher's Day card looks so beautiful and colorful. Great job, little artists! You've made a wonderful Teacher's Day card that you can give to your teacher. Bye-bye!
Yay!
Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.